Good morning people, welcome to second day of the dry dock and the work has already started. Everybody is on deck. People have already put their stuff there and I'm going down to check the ship side now. They have already started painting it and I'm going down to check the progress work done. I have already checked the relief wells and now I'm going down. This is their gangway and we are going down now to check the ship side. As they have already started the painting job, they will be doing grid blasting today and they will start painting maybe today or tomorrow. Let's see. Let's go down. Chale? They have already laid up the anchor chain. Yesterday I have shown you that they were laying up the anchor chain and today I have already done that at the night time. So we will take the progress report of this and we'll see what is happening there. So this is our ship side. They are cleaning that cherry picker, the second cherry picker and the third cherry picker. So they are checking all the ship side. They are cleaning the ship side by water, I think first. After that they will do the grid blasting and then one coat of primer and then painting. So this is our ship side before painting. I'll show you after painting as well. Let's go down. Let's go on top now. And we'll see the propeller also and we'll see. Okay. So this is the propeller of the ship. And that is the rudder. Yesterday night time I have put the rudder on 20 degrees port. So the curvature is still there and see. This is the curvature here. This is the buttock of the vessel. That is the propeller. That is the rudder and those are the draft marks. Water is coming out from the tanks and after that, yesterday night time we have removed the bottom plugs and this is the condition. I am in changing locker now. I am going in engine room to record the time lapse. So I'll put this GoPro on time lapse mode because the main engine overhaul will start and this will be for 3 days. So for 3 days I will put this GoPro on time lapse and let's see how the time lapse of engine comes out. Hello, good morning people. Time is 7:50. I'm going out on deck. But before that I will do breakfast and today is Diwali. So happy Diwali. I will show you from beach how the weather is today. Oh, it seems weather is pretty cloudy. Nobody's there, yard is shut I guess. Just because of Diwali nobody is working, so nobody is there on yard and nobody will come on ship. There will be no opening meeting today. So they are celebrating Diwali. We will see how we celebrate. Either we will work or we will do something. Let's see. So I'll go down now. I'll have my lunch and see you. This is the starting of day 2. Today in day 3 I am just moving outside on deck to do a general inspection and check the work progress. People are not there much actually. All these manhole covers are open. This is covered with safety railings and these are all electrical fittings. Everything is on deck now. So people here are enjoying the Diwali time. They are enjoying. See, people are enjoying the internet. They have taken some care. ये होता है नवाबी शौक. तो यहाँ पे दिवाली की पार्टी चल रही है. दिवाली सेलिब्रेशंस हो रही है और हम लोग अभी आरती कर रहे हैं घर पे. आरती चल रही है हमारी अभी लक्ष्मी पूजा चल रही है दिवाली की. 8 से 8:30 बजे का मुहूर्त है और हमारी चल रही है आरती. Thank you.